While the terrace gardens demonstrate a bold symmetry, other garden areas are beautiful without that very regular pattern. These asymmetrical gardens still have a tempo, but it's more jazz than symphony. Nature offers many cues for patterns, and beautiful views often have an underpinning form. The spiral of a fern unfolding is echoed in the inviting curvature of this path and seating area in the Bloomquist Garden of Native Plants. The pentagram pattern common in succulents is evident in the design of this intimate plaza, in which the benches suggest the lines of a pentagram. Asymmetry can feel casual, but just like jazz, there's a rhythm behind it all that creates beauty.